Hi guys! Good morning! Papunta kami ngayon ni Habi sa Application Support Center dito sa Westerville, Ohio lang. So, malapit lang sa amin, mga 20 minutes lang siya. So, kaya maaga kami ni Habi kasi nga baka ma-traffic. 11 o'clock kami aalis kasi ang appointment ko is 12 p.m. So, alis kami. So, now is 10 na ang oras na namin ngayon. So, mayroon kaming mga 45 minutes. Alis na kami. Mga dadalahin ko papunta doon. So, may instruction nakalagay kung ano ang dalhin nyo. Nasa likod ng nasa likod ng appointment letter. So, first dalahin nyo, magdala kayo ng valid ID na may picture ninyo. If you are green card or permanent resident or green card holder, dalahin mo yung green card mo na may picture mo, may information. And then, magdala ka pa ng ibang ID. Ako, para for sure, dinala ko na rin yung old and new passport ko kay para malaman talaga ba. Kaya hindi natin alam, malayo pa naman. And then, ayan din, appointment letter, the original, the appointment letter that they sent. And mayroon silang together na paper na kailangan mo fill upan before ka pumunta. Yung may mga nakalagay doon kung anong pangalan mo, and then anong gender mo, race, Asian, color ng eyes, yung mga ganon, mga information, ilang taon ka na, kailan ka pinanganak, yun mga information na ganon. So para hindi ka na mag-fill up doon, fill upan mo na siya kasi pinadala naman nila in advance. So yun. So kitang kulang mamaya kung ano ba ang mangyayari. Pero parang you don't need to worry naman kasi ang purpose ng biometric is to get your to give them rights or give them authority to do investigation, criminal records, mga ganon sa i-forward kasi nila to FBI yung record na nakuha nila sa iyo, like fingerprint. Ako is code 3, mga code 3 yung nakalagay dito sa sa aking code 3 sa aking appointment. Mayroon kay by code kasi ang nakalagay dito. Ay, saan ba yun? Saan ba yun ha? Here we go. Ang nakalagay dito sa taas is code 3. So code 3 meaning combination of code 1, 2, and 3. So kailangan nila yung whole 10 fingers and pictures, picture taking. So lahat-lahat na kunin nila sa akin. So yan. So balikan ko lang kayo. Thank you so much for watching. So let's go later on. Iron Pony Motor Park Sports Motors.
It's like,
the expensive thing.
No, it's where it is basically ATVs, dirt bikes, stuff like that.
Yeah. And then mayroon dito ang African Market, Greece African Market, then mayroong American Learning Daycare and Nanak Bakery, and then the Application Support Center, it's there. Then I guess there's a Mexican restaurant or store.
Supermarket and it's a grocery store.
Yeah.
Huh.
So that's it. This is around, it's only like 22 minutes away from us. So we arrive here early. We are here at around 11:20. So we have to wait for another 15 minutes.
I'm gonna do something. I'll just wait a little bit. I'll go back out here.
I'm done. I have to do yes. My biometric is done. Fast. It's fast. You take your picture. After that, by the time you enter, you have to give to the lady. Your appointment schedule, and then they stamp it. Yeah, I have this stamp this one, and then after that, he says, give me the number. I am number 20. And then said, wait for your number. Then, by the time she's done there stopping, she's the one also called my name. Number 20.
just say stand here. Just be a second.
No, she is in the table in front, and then she come back to the side with the computer and picture camera. So they take pictures, sit here, take pictures, and then she grab my and then after picture, come here. She just need my fingerprint and all the finger one by one. That's it. After that, you're done. Just fill up this paper and the yellow paper for the if they did a great job. Yeah.
You should put down hell. Wait forever. Wait 3 minutes.
That's it.
That's
really
so
fast.
weird. I was so surprised when you came out.
Yeah, that's
You had a smile on your face. Well, I'm thinking it went fine.
Yep. So this is at least they give me a packet for studying again. Then packet guide for citizenship. So that's it. That's really fast.
Okay.
Hi guys, nakauwi na ako ng bahay galing sa biometric. Kumain na rin ako bigla ang kain. So yeah, dinala ko yung old passport ko at saka new passport ko, but hindi ko na ito pinakita kasi ang ano nilang nila is yung green card. So dinala ko man din yung green card, nandoon naman lahat. Ipakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung binigay ulit sa akin na immigration. So dumating kami ng 11:30 ni Habi doon. Then naghintay kami ng mga sa parking lot na muna kami kay baka madaming tao. So hindi, sabi ni Habi, within 15 minutes before your appointment na lang at punta ka sa loob. So yun ang ginawa. Naghintay kami 11:45, pumunta na kami, and then walang tao. Walang tao, walang line. So pumasok ako, binigay ko yung ID ko at saka yung papers, yan. Then tinataka ng babae, lagyan na ng date. Then tiningnan niya yung information. Mayroon kasing dalawa kasing pinadala ng USCIS itong applicant information worksheet. Kaya kailangan mo siyang fill upan. Then ipakita mo rin doon. So pinuha niya ito. Then after that, binigyan ako ng number 20, and then mga siguro 2 minutes lang ako nakaupo. Tinawag niya yung number ko, and then picture, sit down there, picture, then picture taking, then yung mga finger ko, yung gina-guide niya kung saan nilagay. Ito, lahat, kay kontari ako lahat. And then, yan, natapos, wala na. Ang bilis lang talaga natapos. Ang bilis. Super bilis natapos. Kahit niya, may mga may 3 tao doon, kahit sa akin. But mayroon ring nag-asikaso sa kanila. Super kaya walang kung mayroon kang biometric, you can wear anywhere, anything. Yan, ganito lang. Yung iba naka-t-shirt, basta wala ka lang naka-shorts or naka-sleeveless. Yung lang, naka-cover lang yung mo, yun. And then, katapos binigyan ako nito, ang packet. Preparing for naturalization test. So, binigyan, nandito na, as in, at least nandito na siya lahat. So, isang studyhan na rin. So, tandaan nyo pag nasa biometric steps ka na, so mag-study ka na rin kasi, hindi mo alam kung kailan yung appointment mo, hindi natin alam kung ilang months tayo maghintay before ang ating interview. So, keep on studying na lang. Listen kayo ng tips lang ha. If you are planning to apply for naturalization or US citizen, so in advance, you can listen some videos para ma-familiarize mo lang yung mga terms and civic questions. Then after that, easy lang talaga. Madali lang yun sila pakinggan din. That's it. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now!